Once considered to be only for pampering, massage therapy is now finding enormous popularity among millions of Americans as we are discovering innumerable health benefits from this time-honored treatment. Massage therapy provides relief to people from all walks of life. The weekend athlete, the home gardener, the overstressed executive, secretaries, waitresses, laborers, virtually anyone can benefit from massage therapy. Numerous research studies conducted in the United States, Europe, and Asia have documented that far beyond simply feeling good, massage therapy has an impressive range of physical, mental, and emotional benefits. Physical benefits include reducing headaches, cramps and muscle spasms, blood pressure and heart rate, chronic pain, swelling, and scarring. Also improving flexibility, skin tone, circulation, detoxification of wastes, the immune system, recovery from surgery, and enhancing deep breathing. Some of the mental benefits of massage therapy are better concentration, sleep, relaxation, decrease in stress, anger, and anxiety. Emotional benefits include enhanced self-esteem, well-being, and greater creative expression.
I'm just going to start by just kind of warming up your back.
The first thing that the massage therapist is going to do in a session is to start to feel where there are blockages in the muscles.
And if you come to any places where you might be a little uncomfortable or if my pressure's
She uses a cream or an oil to decrease the resistance of her hands along the skin. And here she's just getting a sense of where the tension is, where the knots are, and that's where the blockages are to blood flow and circulation. And the massage therapist knows to be gentle in the beginning and wait until the muscles warm up. They never force, and they really rely on feedback from the body and from the muscles as to how quickly to move and how deep to go into the muscle. So as she feels and finds pressure points,
we're going to try to warm that out.
She'll stay on the pressure points until they release. Now here what she's doing is moving along the spinal cord, and where she finds blockages or tension, she'll use her hands, arms, even her elbows to gently put pressure on those points and start to relieve that tension and open up all the muscles and the spaces along the spinal cord. And she'll actually be able to feel pulsations or warmth in the muscles, and that tells her when she can move deeper.
Let me know if it's too much pressure.
And she can feel when the muscles will release. She'll just hold pressure. And as she feels the muscles release, then she'll begin to move. And their training tells them, by learning all the anatomy of the layers of the muscles and where they insert into the bones, they can follow the contours of the muscle. So they're always moving in the direction of the muscle fibers and lengthening and stretching the fibers. When people get stressed in their lives, they'll often unconsciously tense their muscles, and this will create tension patterns over time. So massage can intervene in these tension patterns and even in the stress cycle and really balance out the nervous system and train the body to relax. It also helps people to remember and encourage deep breathing. So as she moves her hands through these muscles, the circulation is improved and the nervous system is improved, and the lymphatic system that takes toxins out of the body is stimulated. So not only will the muscles relax, but people will often release a lot of toxins that they've stored in the tissues and in the blood vessels. Now as the session progresses, you can see she's able to push harder and move deeper because the muscles will begin to relax and let go. And the deeper she can go, the more she can get to trigger points, which are areas of tight muscles where there's actually a decrease in blood flow, and she can start to stimulate the blood to circulate again. Now she's going to have the client turn over. She works both sides of the body, front and back. This allows her to work with different muscles and also work with different areas of the same muscles that she can't reach from the other side. So again, she's going to be working the neck and the shoulders. And she's reaching under again to release the muscles around the spinal column. Here you see she's pulling and lengthening the muscles of the neck. These can become very contracted throughout the day as people sit at computers and work, and even just the effects of gravity. People tend to collapse their muscles and collapse their spine, and that can lead to a lot of pain and health problems. So stretching and lengthening this really has benefits for all kinds of issues and problems, and even for wellness. Here she's found a pressure point, so she's holding pressure on that point, and she'll stay there until she feels the muscle release. The muscle will give her feedback, okay? So the muscle's released, and that client after this session will feel a change and a decrease in pain in that area of the neck. An entire session will consist of working the muscles of the whole body. Different therapists have different ways that they move, but they'll move from head to toe. They'll do the front and the back. So at the end of the session, all the muscles of the body have been worked on and balanced. And they'll often focus on areas where people feel that they're having pain or tension or pressure. And here again, she's working the hands from the other side and the arms. And as the session goes on, you can see the client becomes very relaxed and really allows the therapist to move her and stretch her. And she's really able to just relax while the therapist does all the work. Even short sessions of massage therapy have been shown to be helpful. Oftentimes massage therapists will have chairs, and they can go into businesses or other kinds of institutions and give even 5, 10, and 15 minutes of massage, and it will instantly help people reduce stress and increase energy. Massage helps people recover more quickly from injuries and surgeries. So now she's finishing up the session, and the client is very relaxed. So as she finishes the session, she'll just have the client relax and stay there until she feels that she's ready to get up. Make sure that she's warm and that she's comfortable. And the benefits of the treatments can last anywhere from hours to days to weeks. People have reported feeling less anxious and more restful for weeks after a single massage.